Let's watch the tutorial video on how to properly navigate to your class through the drop-off area. Once your vehicle arrives at the drop-off gate, please ensure the surrounding area is safe before exiting your car. Make sure to double-check that you have all of your belongings. If you are an elementary student, you should turn left and follow the sidewalk to your class. You'll pass the motorcycle parking area and the side of the library. If you are a junior high or senior high student, you should turn right and take the sidewalk to your class, passing the art room and music studio along the way. The school has provided these sidewalks to give you easy access to your building, so please use them and avoid walking on the jogging track or soccer field.